This is a style adding broader choral range to the rhythm bass hymns of mixed note values and moderate tempo. We will apply it to the hymn on page 15, Break Thou the Bread of Life. On melody notes of longer values, we will chord both hands higher, similar to what we learned in the cathedral style. On beat 1, we have a half note, so we roll the chord. On beat 2 of that chord, we'll raise the right hand 1 octave and the left hand just beneath it. 1, 2, 3, both up. 1, 2, 3, 1 chord and invert, 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 invert. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, I kept this left hand in the simple rhythm bass pattern. You would want to add rolled chords and alternate octaves as well.